Beautiful good morning to my amazing family. How are you guys doing? Trust you all are good. So guys, let me just say a little. I woke up this morning. Peeping at the window. Everywhere was white. Guess what? Yeah, organic. Okay, now let me show you guys the weather that we're having today. The our first snow for 2024 stroke 2025. This is our first snow for the year. Let me show you guys. Omo, no joke, no play with this weather. Walk on, let me show you guys. So guys, can you see? Oh my god, the winter, the snow is snowing. Hey, look at, you can see. I'm going to show you guys. So I'm not outside. You can see how the what you can see. The snow is snowing. Honestly, this one is the one that I have at the back of my house. I've not gone out yet. Can you guys see? It's so amazing, wonderful weather. Oh, drunka oyibo na ana white Christmas. Nke a mere was Christmas, the type of joy ha ga-enwe no be here. Let me show you guys. Let me keep showing you guys. Oh more. Hey! Oh yeah, oh, first winter for the year. Oh. So guys, look at it. You can see everywhere. It's snowing. It's snowing. You can see, right? Snow fall again. Oh, outside is too cold though. I came out to make this video for you guys to see what we are seeing, to see what we are soaring this morning. Oh, guys can see snow everywhere. This one is even small. Just imagine. They will come and spread salt too. You can see where I'm standing. They have to spray salt so that one can walk, not really freely, but at least you have to be careful. If not, a lot of people got that. It's snowing today. Yeah, this snow started, I think, yesterday. So that is it. No be small snow. No be small snow. Oh my goodness. God, oh. See how it's snowing. Can see how deep the snow is. Let me match my leg, you see. Not for it. Go hot child's place, no. Oof. This one is not child's place, no. That is it. You can see how deep it's snowing. Yes, so the snow is snowing. So guys, that's why I'm out this morning, to show you guys how the weather is today. Okay, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing videos. So guys, see you guys. Bye.